Here's a great tip on how to protect your foundation from drought conditions. Our homes are vulnerable to the beating sun just as we are, so it's important to keep your home hydrated during drought conditions to prevent foundation problems. Over time, our home's foundation starts to shift and crack due to the outside elements. As most homeowners know, this isn't good news because a broken wall may very well mean a broken wallet. One of the best pieces of equipment that you can use to hydrate your home is a soaker hose. A soaker hose not only saves water by using less than half of what garden hoses usually use per hour, but trickling water versus gushing water is better for your home. This is a slower and more controlled flow, which will benefit the foundation as it goes over time. Keeping the foundation of your home even is key. The foundation of your home is protected from the sun, and because of that, it keeps more moisture. Around the home, the moisture evaporates quickly. The clay soil dries out and shrivels up. If you leave it like that, it becomes unbalanced and eventually cracks, which will need pricey repairs. A soaker hose will roughly run you about $30 at Home Depot.